how to change title and meta tags in Godaddy website. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. What we're going to do is we're going to open our website. Let's click on edit website over here. And in this page, we're going to navigate to the settings over here on the top right. Select this. And over here, we're going to select get found on Google. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to select the specific page that you want to change the title and meta tags. If you have a normal website, of course, you would have multiple pages, so you should select the specific page that you want to modify. After that, enter a headline or the title that you want, and then of course the description over here. And then after doing that, you will be able to change the title and meta tag on your Godaddy website. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.